Hello, students. I hope you all are fine. Let us finish this chapter today. In the part ninth, we read that the governor had found Evans in Golden Lion Hotel and he asked him some questions like how did he manage to get the blood in the cell, and Evans told him that he managed it with the help of the person who had disguised himself as McCleary. He had brought a rubber ring, and that was the object which was used to bring blood. And he used pig's blood, and he mixed his actual blood, means any person's actual blood, and trisodium citrate in it. At that time, governor was full of appreciation for him, and he asked him to come with him to prison, to jail. So this is the point where we have to start. Governor asked him, "Come on, my lad." Evans made no show of resistance. Resistance means any kind of uh, feeling that oppose anything, means विरोध नहीं किया उसने. He got up and started walking with governor, and side by side the two men walked slowly down the stairs. Tell me, Evans, how did you manage to plan all this business? You have had no visitors, I have seen to that. You have had no letters. Means कैसे plan किया तुमने? No one came to meet you. I have got lots of friends though. It was Ivan's reply. मेरे friends तो हैं. कितने सारे friends हैं मेरे? What is that supposed to mean? What do you want to say? Me German teacher for a start. अगर शुरुआत करें तो फ्रेंड्स की बताने की लिस्ट की, तो मेरा जर्मन टीचर. यू मीन बट ही वॉज फ्रॉम द टेक्निकल कॉलेज. वॉज ही सर? इवांस वॉज ऑलमोस्ट एन्जॉइंग इट ऑल नाउ. एवर चेकअप ऑन हिम सर? क्या आपने कभी चेक किया उसको कि कहाँ से है वो? Didn't check na. So it was governor's mistake not to check the identity of the German teacher. The person had been teaching Evans for 6 months and they didn't check from where the person was coming. It means he was Evans' friend. God Almighty, there is far more going on than I. Means मैं तो सोच भी नहीं सकता, उससे बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा घपला चल रहा था. ऑलवेज विल बी सर. ऐसे ही चलेगा सर. एवरीथिंग रेडी? आस्क्ड द गवर्नर एज दे स्टूड बाय द रिसेप्शन डेस्क. द वैन इज़ आउट द इन फ्रंट सर. गवर्नर ने पूछा रिसेप्शनिस्ट से कि सब कुछ तैयार है. शी रिप्लाइड, द वैन इज़ आउट इन द फ्रंट सर, said the pretty blonde receptionist. Evans winked at her and she winked back at him. Why? Because she had helped governor in nabbing Evans back, and now they were giving expressions to each other. It almost made his day. It almost made his day. A silent prison officer A silent prison officer handcuffed the recaptured Evans, and together the two men clambered. Clambered means climbed up the van awkwardly into the back seat of the prison van. So there was a prison officer who handcuffed, who जिसने इवांस को हथकड़ी पहनाई, and they both sat up in the van. See you soon, Evans. It was almost as if the governor was saying farewell to an old friend after a cocktail party. What is a cocktail party? Cocktail party is a party when two friends meet and drink together, and it is in the evening. So governor's attitude with Evans was like they were friends and they had cheered a lot, means they had enjoyed a cocktail party and now they were seeing each other off. Cheeros, sir. I was just wondering. Wondering means thinking. I was just wondering, thinking. I know your German is pretty good, sir. But एनी मोर ऑफ दीज मॉडर्न लैंग्वेजेस? क्या और किसी मॉडर्न लैंग्वेज को भी जानते हो आप? जर्मन तो आप जानते हो। इट वॉज इवांस क्वेश्चन। नॉट वेरी वेल, वाई आर यू आस्किंग? गवर्नर ने कहा भाई क्यों पूछ रहे हो, इतनी अच्छी तो नहीं है मेरी और कोई लैंग्वेज। इवान सेटल्ड हिमसेल्फ कंफर्टेबली ऑन द बैक सीट and grinned and smiled happily. Nothing really. I just happened to notice that you have got some O level Italian classes coming up next September. That's all. So he was now planning to start O level Italian classes. Means he was planning to learn Italian. Do you really think that he was planning to learn Italian? It was another plan of him to get a chance to run away from prison. And governor also knew this. Perhaps you won't be with us next September, Evans. James Roderick Evans appeared to ponder the governor's word deeply. जैसे ही इवांस ने कहा कि भाई मैं इटालियन क्लासेस ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूँ, तो गवर्नर ने कहा तब तक तो तुम हमारे साथ नहीं रहोगे, बिकॉज इट वॉज डिस्क्लोज्ड इन द वेरी बिगिनिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर दैट Evans would be shifted in the north direction. Their security would be tight. So he said कि भाई तुम तब तक शिफ्ट कर दिए जाओगे. James Roderick Evans appeared to ponder. Ponder means think. Think deeply. The governor's word deeply. No, perhaps I won't be. I won't, he said. ना तब तक तो शायद मैं नहीं रहूँगा आपके साथ. गवर्नर का कहने का मतलब है तुमको शिफ्ट कर दिया जाएगा. एंड इवांस इज सेइंग कि तब तक मैं भाग जाऊंगा. डबल मीनिंग बातें बोल रहा है वो. एज द प्रिजन वैन टर्न्ड राइट फ्रॉम चिपिंग नॉर्टन ऑन टू द ऑक्सफोर्ड रोड, द हिदरटो मीन्स टिल नाउ साइलेंट प्रिजन ऑफिसर अनलॉक द हैंडकफ्स एंड लीन फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द ड्राइवर. भाई जब अब तक जो प्रिजन ऑफिसर साइलेंट बैठा हुआ था ना, जीप जैसी आगे बढ़ी उसने हथकड़ियाँ खोल दी और ड्राइवर की तरफ मुड़ करके झुक करके उसने कहा, फॉर क्राइस्ट सेक गेट अ मूव ऑन, जल्दी करो. इट वॉन्ट टेक देम लॉन्ग टू फाइंड आउट. उन्हें ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगेगा पता लगने में. किन्हें? गवर्नर को और बाकी पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को क्या पता लगने में? दैट इवांस हैज़ रन अवे. वेयर डू यू सजेस्ट वी मेक फॉर? आस्क्ड द ड्राइवर इन ब्रॉड स्कॉट एक्सेंट. सो ड्राइवर ने पूछा कहाँ चलना है. स्कॉट एक्सेंट में बोला है तो इसका मतलब ये वही बंदा है, ड्राइवर जो है ये वही बंदा है जो मैक्लेरी बन के आया हुआ था. इवांस का फ्रेंड है ये और ये ड्राइवर बन के आया था. ब्रॉड स्कॉट्स एक्सेंट में उसने पूछा कहाँ चलना है. व्हाट अबाउट न्यूबरी सजेस्टेड इवांस. इवांस ने कहा कि न्यूबरी चले तो कैसा रहेगा. वाई डिड ही सजेस्ट टू गो टू न्यूबरी? बिकॉज गवर्नर एंड हिज men had searched in Newbury a day before and now they would not go to that city to search for Evans. That's why Evans suggested to go to Newbury. Once again Evans has run away. Even though governor had found where he was staying, even though governor was brilliant minded, he decoded everything from the question paper. He got the name of the hotel where he was staying. Still he was careless. How? In the end he must have checked the identity of the officer who had come to arrest Evans. He sent Evans with them without checking their identity. Maybe that these people Ivan's friend have come after wearing the uniform of those officers, but he must have accompanied them. उनको साथ जाना चाहिए था गवर्नर को, ये लापरवाही नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. So once again he has proved that he is a careless officer. He does not take care of all the things, and Evans is much more cautious. He is more intelligent, and in this fight the person with the brilliant mind is certainly a winner. So Evans का mind और Evans के friends का mind ज़्यादा है. They are very clever and they have defeated the governor. Okay my dear students, this chapter is over, and if you have any doubt you can ask. We are going to discuss the questions after this video, means In next lecture I would like to discuss the questions. Till then, my dear students, take care. Bye.